Hey everyone, so today we're doing question 16b and we're going to be working out the mean number of visits. This is from the past paper link down below, and just a quick recap of the question. With 40 students and they were asked the number of visits they made to a gym one week. The chart shows information about the results. We have the chart here and it shows the number of visits and how many students went for those number of visits. So question 16b asks, work out the mean number of visits, give your answer as a decimal, and it's a 3-mark question. So we're going to want to work out the number of visits and the number of students, and then we're going to work out the mean, which is pretty much the average, using those two values. So if we want to work out the total number of visits, we're going to take the number of visits in the chart and times that by the number of students. So for example, 7 students went 0 times, 10 students went once, 2 students went 8 times, 8 students went 2 times, and so on and so forth until you get this here. So it's 0 times 7 plus 1 times 10, etc, etc, and this is going to be equal to 82. So this is the total number of visits among all the students for that week. Next up, we want to work out the number of students. Now it does say at the top 40 students, but if you weren't told that, or if you wanted to work it out, you can just add the total number of values from the chart. So we've got a 7, we've got a 10, we've got an 8, and we just add them all up, and that's also going to give us 40 students. So the mean, like I said, which is pretty much the average, we just take the number of visits divided by the number of students. So it's going to be 82 divided by 40, which is going to be equal to 2.05, and it asks us to give it as decimal, so it's going to be 2.05. And what we're basically doing here is just finding the average number of visits per student for the week. So on average, a student visited 2.05 times. Obviously it wasn't 2.05 visits for each student, but this is the mean or the average. So hopefully that made sense. Hopefully it was clear. If you do have any comments or questions, please feel free to just drop them down below. Best of luck with your maths, and thanks for watching.